The mystery of eighth continent, Zealandia. Winters are just the perfect time to visit tropical countries, such as New Zealand. The sandy beaches and long coastal lines are ideal for strolling and relaxing. But before visiting these tropical countries, there is something so surprising about the country that will leave you walking for sure. Did you know that New Zealand is actually the highest part of 5 million square kilometer big landmass called Zealandia? This landmass is so big that it could be our eighth continent. But how come only a very few know about it? Well, this landmass was able to hide in plain sight because more than 90% of all of it is hidden under the water. Interesting, right? Let us uncover the mystery of this potential continent, Zealandia. Our planet is 4.5 billion years old. Initially, there was just a big piece of land called Pangaea, which was surrounded by a super ocean called Panthalassa. During the first billion year of Earth history, meteorite impact were very frequent, which, by the way, is believed to be the reason for dinosaur extinction. But as per latest studies, meteorites are the reason for continent formations too. So, it is finally known that massive ball of fire broke Pangaea into several different land masses called continents, which drifted apart from each other. Zealandia was the part of the same process but came into existence much later. It was earlier a part of modern day Antarctica and Australia but broke off first from Antarctica around 100 million years ago and then from Australia about 80 million years ago. Presently, Zealandia is a vast piece of land of around 5 million square kilometers. It is located close to Australia and just beneath modern day New Zealand and has 95% of its area submerged in water. Its discovery took more than 350 years. The first credit for the production of continent goes to Dutch explorer Abel Tasman, who in 1642 discovered presence of massive piece of land in southern hemisphere. However, the major breakthrough was when Scottish naturalist Sir James Hector in 1895 claimed that New Zealand is actually a part of larger area, most of which is submerged in water. But it took another century to name the landmass, and it was only in 1995 geophysicist Bruce Leyendijk coined the term Zealandia. The crest, the landform, the rocks, and it all makes sense. Call Zealandia a new continent, says Leyendijk. While some scientists claim Zealandia to be the microcontinent, in 2017, Nick Mortimer, a geologist for GNA Science, New Zealand's leading earth and geosciences research business, discovered enough of evidence to claim Zealandia as the eighth continent. However, the catch is there is no official committee that designates the new continents, and hence he believes that he have to convince enough of his colleagues that Zealandia's presence has no longer been denied and ignored. What do you think?